What is the keyboard shortcut to focus to address bar in Mac Chrome? In Windows Chrome, Alt+D is the shortcut. What is it in Mac Chrome?
Chrome support has a list of shortcuts for the Mac version. You will find the L shortcut will perform what you are trying to do. For Windows Chrome, you can also use Ctrl-L and F6 to highlight the address bar.
macOS X Chrome address bar focus, L.
The keyboard shortcut L focuses the address bar, search bar, omnibox. Note that the menu text for this command is file is greater than open location ... This menu text can be used in system preferences to bind a different keyboard shortcut.
This has worked fine for me. I tried open location, and then file is greater than open location, which didn't work. However, when I tried open location, again it worked. I should say I first assigned the function to a single key such as F10 and check this worked before trying to get Alt+D to work specifically. This was done on Big Sur OpenCore.
If you want to support